Before I start with this questions, I like to say thank you. Thank you for over 2 million subscribers. You guys are amazing these days, and that's why I will give you something back. Today you can win this beautiful Apple Watch in space gray 40mm. Guys, to win this Apple Watch, you have to like this video, then subscribe Hair to Test and make sure that the notification clock is on. Next step is like Hair to Test on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is write a comment under this video, and then you are able to win this beautiful Apple Watch. Guys, I hope you like this, and yes, now let's continue with this experiment. Guys, was my questions with the many iPhones and the gun. Guys, I hope you like this video, and yes, as always, thumbs up for new crash test.